This video is to present an executive summary of SHIPWELD. The presented solution is developed in Trinity demonstration program, where one of the goals is to improve the agility of European SMEs in the manufacturing industry. This use case is presented by Trinity SME partner I Know How, located in Athens, Greece. Other partners are Carell SA, also located in Greece, and UMNAI, located in Malta. Among the project partners, I Know How develops custom robotic solutions, Carell SA specializes in ship repairs, and UMNAI provides AI expertise. Welding is a hazardous and labor-intensive job. The purpose of Trinity ShipWeld is to automate the welding tasks in the shipbuilding industry and thus increase both safety and productivity. ShipWeld does not rely on CAD drawings and provides an interface so that the human operators can efficiently interact with it. To begin with, ShipWeld uses an onboard scanner to create a 3D reconstruction of the weld piece. Then, there is an option to automatically calculate candidate weld seams by fitting the 3D model of the weld piece into a custom explainable AI pipeline. Another option is to use the WeldWand, a 6-degree of freedom motion tracker, to capture the desired welding path easily and intuitively. During the next step, ShipWeld uses a laser seam scanner to precisely locate the welding seam chosen by the operator. Finally, ShipWeld generates a welding trajectory and performs the welding task. ShipWeld also supports advanced features such as weaving welding that are needed for high-quality welds. To orchestrate everything, a custom graphical user interface has been developed that allows the user to both control and monitor ShipWeld. To summarize, ShipWeld is an autonomous robotic welder that is able to scan a weld piece and reconstruct it in 3D, can generate weld seam trajectories or enable the user to create them using a tracking wand, localize and follow accurately the target weld seams, and also comes with other advanced welding features and a custom graphical user interface. During the project timeline, all KPIs have been reached and successfully demonstrated at the end user's operating facilities. As far as agile manufacturing is concerned, ShipWeld is predicted to reduce manufacturing costs for shipbuilders and increase worker safety by preventing their exposure to harmful welding radiation and toxic fumes. Moreover, it will enable smaller-scale enterprises to automate their welding tasks thanks to its fast deployment and CAD-free nature. ShipWeld can be used in shipyards, repair shops, and any kind of low-volume manufacturing that requires welding. Trinity offered us the opportunity to demonstrate our use case to interested parties, as well as having advice and constant feedback from an experienced mentor throughout the project. For more information, please contact us or follow the designated links or QR code.